अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल एमपी बोधशाला। तो आज का जो इसे है वो है झांसी की रानी पर। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का हमारा इसे। और वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। तो जो आज का टॉपिक है वो है झांसी की रानी। झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई was a brave and fearless warrior. She was born in the year 1828 in Varanasi, India. Lakshmibai was married to Maharaja Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi. After her husband's death, she became the Queen of Jhansi. When the British tried to take over Jhansi, Lakshmibai fought against them. She dressed up as a soldier and led her army into battle. Lakshmibai was known for her excellent horsemanship and sword fighting skills. She inspired her people to join the fight. She inspired her people to join the fight for freedom and independence. Lakshmibai became a symbol of resistance against British rule in India. Even though she fought valiantly, Jhansi was eventually captured by the British. However, her bravery and sacrifice inspired many others in the fight for freedom. तो ये थी ऐसे झांसी की रानी पर। अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मैसेज करके पूछ सकते हैं।